Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kangaroo Deshayan. Today I am going to show you how to make a quick and easy snack with red lentils. These are the ingredients you need for this recipe. We need 2 cups of red lentils. You can buy red lentils from any supermarket or from Sri Lankan or Indian shops. Add 4 cups of water and soak red lentils for about an hour. Finely chop 1 onion, chop some curry leaves, about half a cup, and 2 red chilies. After about an hour, wash the red lentils until the water is clear. Let's grind our red lentils. Make sure not to grind it too much. We don't need a watery consistency. This is how it should look like. Now we add our chopped onions, 1 cup, red chilies, curry leaves, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, and some salt according to your taste. Now mix all together and keep for 10-15 minutes. We need oil to deep fry our red lentils vade. You can use a pan like this. Heat the oil over medium heat. Use 2 tablespoons like this so that you don't have to touch anything. But make sure not to make it too thick. When the oil is hot, fry the vade like this. Fry until it's golden brown. There you have it. Let's try some. It's yummy and it's crunchy and spicy. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay safe.